Morning. Watching NNVC, NNVC as well. NNVC. About 2 minutes to the open. You can see CEI coming down already. CEI. It's going to be something that I'm going to keep on watching. CEI. CEI. INO is moving up today into resistance though. There was a gap prior to 450. There was a gap prior to 450. So INO it's moving into resistance here today on the daily chart. Watching the NNVC popping really fast. NNVC, NNVC, NNVC. INO moving higher. INO popping quick, breaking that resistance on the daily. There was a bunch of consolidation. Pretty fast break. On INO 470 higher day. Watching level 2, trying to find a decent entry. 1 minute pullback here. 1 minute pullback. Watching level 2, 452. Sellers sitting on 452. Coming down hard now. Again, INO was moving this morning into resistance. On the daily, there is a lot of consolidation and it's gapping into resistance. It moved, it filled up the gap today on the daily from 399 into 450. But look at that, 450 was resistance on the daily. Look at the massive plunge. It got a lot of people in. I'm pretty short on that breakout, and have that reversal here now. But 450 is probably going to be that resistance. So to be honest with you, I don't feel too confident into trying to get a trade for the long side there on those levels. INO moved into resistance. Chances are we can see it come right back up, but that candle on the 5 I don't really appreciate too much. There's a bunch of resistance around 450, and let me see what the high of this consolidation is on the daily. 483, 503. So in between 450 and $5, there is a lot of resistance on INO. On the other hand, NNVC is looking a lot better. NNVC. NNVC. We have a decent range all the way to $13.45 on the daily. We gotta let it sit up, see if we can get a bull flag formation. On NNVC, watching NVCN, low volume but decent formation for a short, and a CEI as well, like CEI for a short. CEI for a short. Still getting my coffee here. Good morning to everyone. Watching the level 2 still though on INO. See if we can tap that 470 higher day, because we're really trying to break it. I like NNVC though. NNVC I like a lot. I gotta let it run though. Let it run. I'm not trying to throw any kind of punches here. Gotta see the follow through move. $7.20. Again, NIO had it has a lot of resistance around $4.50, $5. There's a lot of consolidation on the daily chart. The range is too massive right there. I do not like that range, and this is the reason why I don't really like it too much. On the other hand, NIO is actually dropping very nice. And that one, for a short, looks really clean. I'm watching the micro bounce on NIO, micro bounce on the 1 minute time frame with a gravestone doji on the one, bouncing a little bit on the 15-minute time frame off of the 100 simple moving average. Watching the low 100 simple moving average on the 15, sitting at $4.91. Micro bounce here, just broke it. I like to trade using the 15 when we have decent area with moving averages. Right now, I'm trying to figure out which one will be a good level for an entry or to get the price, the target on the NIO. Since we don't have a moving average to give us an support or resistance on NIO, we gotta take a daily level, and we can also take in consideration the $0.50 support and resistance. 488 right now, so 450 will be a little bit of support. The low of $4.31 is also a daily level. Daily level $4.31. 450 on NIO. 450 NIO. INO I still don't like though. Snapshot CEI coming down. CEI for those who are looking for short ideas. A CEI. $450 area on NIO. 450 NIO. 450 NIO. Looking for that support around 450. Keeps dropping. Some size going through here. 485. Expecting 450 to hit off of the $0.50 support and resistance. Let me take out this thing here because it's not really doing nothing. Let me see something here. NVAX. It's looking decent. Expecting follow through here to the downside. Possible bear flag formation on a 1 minute time frame on NIO. Bouncing with decreasing volume here, NIO. I'm expecting a rollover in the next minute. Expecting a rollover on the next minute. The volume has decreased a lot. Watching NIO. Watching also 2 minute time frame candles. See if we can get a bear flag formation on 2 minutes. Expecting a rollover here on this one. A lot of people hitting 490 with decent size. Expecting it to roll over right back down. Expecting the price to come right back down. $488. Long wick candle on the 5 minutes, which is good. I think we're gonna see it roll over here, come right back down. CI keeps on dropping for those of you that are keeping track. Here comes the rollover. Watching NNVC as well. NNVC. We have a small flag. Watching that 1 minute time frame flag. 1 minute time frame flag. There is consolidation. Watching the 2 minute time frame. We have a little bit of consolidation. I am actually expecting a follow through retest of the low of the day. ADPT moving higher. ADPT. High price name. ADPT. ADPT. $29.27. Opening around $27.50 today. Now printing $29.35. Higher price name. ADPT. Watching NIO. Small consolidation. $27,000 shares. Seller 46 on the bid. Taking its time. Gravestone Doji on the 5 minute time frame. Gravestone Doji, 5 minute time frame. Flagging on the 5 minutes. First red candle. ADPT on the 5 minutes. It's gonna be an opportunity here around 29.50 for a long trade. ADPT. Watching level 2. Trading pretty tight. Coming down. Gravestone Doji. Consolidation on 2 minutes. Coming down. And they're really trying to hold it off. Grabbing it by the horns here. But I don't think we'll be able to hold it. 483 coming through. Long consolidation period here. The same thing that happened yesterday. CEI 212. CEI now 212. Space SPCE followed through move since yesterday. Open today. Went high to $19.25 around there. Now it's $17.97. $17.97. Okay, NIO is finally coming out of that consolidation. We're gonna see a break under this consolidation. Still watching level 2. It's long consolidation period. Same thing that happened yesterday though. $484 coming down. Space SPCE, very nice follow through. SPCE follow through move. NIO 482 coming down. 481 low. hitting 481. A lot of 480 coming through. There you go, 480. Trying to hold it off around 480. See 478 prints coming through. See how much they can hold it right here, 480. $478, $477 prints coming through. They really trying to hold it off right here, 480. See if these people can get absorbed. We're trying to buy at 480 here. 480. Bit stacking at 480. Big size going through at 480. Dropping now. Hitting that 479, 477, 476, 474. Dropping very fast. So grateful for this move. Had to wait a long time though. Long time. Space bouncing. Space bouncing. Very nice follow through move on this thing. 475. 475. Wow, the most amazing follow through move. It paid to wait on NIO. It wasn't easy to wait that long. But it worked out. Expecting a little bounce around here though. Yes, I expected a little bounce here. I still believe we might see a test today around 450, and that is based on $0.5 because on the daily today we have a daily level and the next stop on the daily is 431. So we got to go through 450 first to get to 431. So expecting a little flag formation here. Expecting a little flag formation on the 1 minute. Expecting a bear flag formation, A little bit of consolidation around here. Follow through 450 area. Expecting to see 450 hit. Now probably in one flush, but I'm expecting it still keep coming down. Here we have a little bit of a bounce. This one was really anticipated after that flush in the formation on the 15 minutes. That was something that I was expecting to see, a little bounce. For those of you keeping track of what I'm saying, I just mentioned a couple of minutes ago ADPT, a good opportunity over $29.50 for a long trade. Right now, $29.75. Long wick candle on the 15. Flag on the 5. Coming down hard. NIO coming down again. Again, looking at the possibility we can see 450 hit today. This is really some follow through move here. Some follow through move. Very good follow through move. Bid stack in 475. Bid stack in 475. Still a little bit of consolidation here. Follow through. After this possible bear flag formation on the 1 minute time frame. If you guys are new in the stream and you like the information, I appreciate if you give it a like, please, so that YouTube algorithm treats me well. Watching CEI. Coming to the 50 simple moving average, trading inside of 50, bouncing off of the 100, thinking the 50 will be making that resistance here around 225, and we're probably going to roll over right back to the downside. Worst case scenario is going to go all the way to 240 towards the VWAP. ADPT having a little reversal here, $29.39 after it went to 275, 278. I'm watching an NVC because it's printing a pennant flag formation on the 5-minute time frame, and NIO has a pretty decent formation here using an internal trend line. On the 5. So I'm watching this little flag. See if we can get our reversal there, but we are printing 2 green candles on the 15. Chances are we can bounce right towards the VWAP on the 15 and find that resistance around there. Roll over right back down again to print a bear flag formation on the 15-minute time frame. All right, breaking news. CDC confirms second U.S. case of coronavirus, and it's monitoring 63 other possible infections. This is not fun though. This is not fun. Now I've seen in the past, like Ebola and all this kind of stuff. Every time some kind of virus like this comes up, something happens. A company comes out and they do something to make a vaccine or something like that. So chances are you're gonna be seeing some stock price, some kind of company here or there come out with some kind of cure or medicine for that. 50 simple moving average being resistance right here with a doji on the 15. That one I like. 282. Watching level 2. Not really a lot of selling. I don't see a lot of people sitting on 481 and 479. There's just a couple of people, but not a lot of people though. Well, a lot of people putting offers of 483. That much I could tell you. A lot of people putting offers on 483. Okay, 482 coming down now. Not a lot of buying. I think we're gonna see it fall off. There you go. 50 simple moving average being resistance on a 1 minute time frame. There you go. All right, so we just got a inverted hanging man on the 15-minute time frame. We can see that candle there on the 15-minute time frame, being that 50 simple moving average is being resistance here on the 1 minute time frame. Coming right back down. Coming right back down. People putting offers of 478. I think people's gonna start railing out over here. You wanna see it fall through all the way back down. All the way back down to the low of the day. I really think we can see 450 hit. 450. 450. I'm expecting 450. And I have been patient. Although you guys do know that I always say it is always convenient and it is always great to take profits on the way. Hey Sean, good morning. On the way to where your profit target area is. I have been really patient the whole day on NIO. I really think that we can see 450 hit. The next level on the daily is 433, and I'm using a $0.50 for support and resistance. Since I cannot use the moving averages on the 15-minute time frame, I like to see the longer time frame, what the longer time frame is doing, so that way I can have an idea of how far I want to take my position. Since we already passed through the moving averages, the 50 and the 100 on the 15, I'm using a price target $0.50. In this case will be 450, and on the daily level it's $4.33. So consolidation right here. We had that flag consolidation on the 5 minutes, and now we're coming down for some follow-through move. I am expecting it to come right back down around 472 again and break onto that level. I really think we can see hit 450 today. Not a lot of buying going through. There's a lot of people putting offers at 476. Once these people get absorbed, I think we can start seeing 473 prints, 469, 472. Not a lot of buying. Coming down hard. Coming down hard. For you guys on the stream, if you don't mind hitting the like button, if you're new on the channel and like the information, please subscribe to the channel. That's greatly appreciated. Okay, we can see consolidation around 470, 475. And again, good morning to all of you. Greatly appreciated that you guys are here. If any of you guys want to share your own ideas, you can create a free account. It's a free account over traderscolony.com, and we can use the free chat room over there as well. If you want to share your ideas, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, what's the low of the 15? Watching the low of the 15. Low of the 15. 471. Coming down hard, 472. It's not a lot of buying. Bit stacking. 471 prints, 470. Level 2. A lot of offers of 473. A lot of offers of 473. Gonna start seeing this prints come through in the next minute. 471. Slow mover. Slow mover. If any of you guys are interested on getting the early bird price on a over $799 value trading course, first 10 people, 1 hour one-on-one with me. First 20 people, chance to get a Lenovo laptop, and early bird pricing $299. It's going to be released on February, so next month. If anybody interested, please send me an email, contact@traderscolony.com, or send me a DM through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I can send you a PayPal link. One thing I can really say, you're gonna have results. Now results for everybody is gonna pretty much be different, because it really depends on the people. If you don't put your mind into things, even if you want to do something, if I want to go out and drive a truck and I've never driven a truck, I have to practice driving a truck, and I have to actually study how to drive a truck. There's a reason why you see a lot of people fail on the things that they really want to do. But everybody always gets results, but you cannot get a banana out of an orange seed. You're gonna reap what you sow. So you can only get an orange out of an orange tree. See, if you don't do nothing with your life, and I'm not saying anything, but I'm saying you can only get and return what you put in. That's life in general. I've been doing this thing since 2012, and I have blew up a couple of different accounts. I gotta say, I was really dumb chasing really penny stocks. And there's a reason why when people tell and talk about trading strategies, oh, you are one strategy away from being profitable. So yeah, that sounds really good on paper, but there's more to it than just having a trading strategy. For me, you gotta develop yourself and your character as a trader or an investor first. If not, a trading strategy is not gonna work for you. No matter whose trading strategy you following, it's not gonna work. This is the reason why you see a lot of people fail and try different sets of strategies here there, because it's not about a trading strategy, it's about yourself, because you are the one trading or buying and selling the stock, investing, holding long term or short term. You are the one that's doing it. It's not the strategy, it's you. So you got to develop yourself first. And these people just pushing trading strategies out there like it's the holy grail. That doesn't work that way. $468. Seen prints 465 coming through. A lot of offers 467. 466 coming through. 460 will be hitting in the next minute. Again, I'm gonna put my orders around 455, 455, 455. Decent move here on NIO. Really following through towards 450 today. Okay, 463. Now I'm gonna have to pay attention. We're getting pretty close to the areas that I'm looking for, and I'm expecting a little bounce around here. There you go. All right, so a lot of people hitting the bid. A lot of people covering positions right here. Expecting a little bounce around here. right. Gotta keep an eye on this thing here because we have a hammer. And although I'm pretty sure that we're gonna keep trending lower, I think it would be a good idea for me to take something, start taking some out around here. I don't see a lot of selling right now on the level 2. I'm watching it a bit stacking a 468. A lot of people putting offers right there, so I think it will be a good idea to take something out around here. Let me see this thing. Okay, now it's looking a little different. Hold up. Watching level 2 really close. Taking some out here. Make sure you get paid on the way to where you want to go. I have a hammer on the 15. Long wick. So expecting to see 450 doesn't mean that you cannot really get paid on the way there. And that's pretty gonna make you wait. This being a small moves and slow mover today, but it's been happening. Now we had a breakout on NNVC, as I told you, was actually having a pennant flat formation in the 5-minute time frame. I want to show you real quick. Pennant flat formation on the 5. If you look right here, it's bouncing. It's moving really fast though. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to what I'm talking about today, but if you are, I guess you're doing okay. This type of formations are the type of stuff that you can recognize from far away. This is the reason why I'm trying to put something together to help you guys out with, you know, developing the knowledge that you need, not to be guessing around. And although, you know, again, I don't throw punches like that. I don't like throwing punches like that, because in reality, if you really don't know what you're going for, you're gonna go for anything, and that's when you're gonna get yourself screwed up. Holy smokes. NIO had this massive move all the way to the view app and came down. I wasn't really expecting this thing. That 15-minute candle shows us some indecision, but we have a shooting star on the 5 minutes. Some consolidation on the 1 here. Gee, man, I wasn't really expecting this thing. I was not really expecting this thing. I guess I did the right thing by taking some out. So now I'm getting kind of like, okay, I think I should take some more out. And I looked away for a second when this 1 minute candle shoot up all the way to the view app. Somebody probably covered a huge position right there. Huge position right there was probably covered. Gonna be taking some more out on NIO though. Expecting to see 450 hit today. I don't see a lot of selling going through right now. And it's been a decent trader today already. So not bad at all. A lot of indecision though I can see on the 15. The candle right there shoot up all the way back to the view app. Okay, we can see some 469 going through. Bit stacking 470. Okay, coming right back. Alright. Coming right back. That was probably somebody that covered a huge position. And we had that candle shoot up. Pretty sure a lot of people got taken out if they had any kind of stop loss set. Pretty sure a lot of people got taken out. Okay, 467, expecting to see 467 print in the next minute. See a lot of selling around 470. Well, that was a huge move on NNVC though. I don't know if you guys do remember that I was just talking about that pennant flag formation a couple of minutes ago. Look at that next leg up there. Amazing move. Setting up. If you look at the formation on that 5 minute pennant flag, it's like you have a, like I said yesterday, a pot, those pressure cookers, the things, and the steam starts to kind of get a lot of steam inside, and that little thing on the top starts rolling and starts taking all of the steam out. But when it gets to a place where it cannot hold anymore, boom, it breaks out. That's what happens with this type of formation. It starts to get narrow and narrow and narrow and narrow and narrow and narrow until it cannot hold on no more, and then it just shoots. Now, you have to know, and you have to be able to recognize the pattern to have the idea on which direction it's going to go, because sometimes it breaks out, but you have to realize that there many times around it breaks down. So you have to be able to recognize the pattern to have an idea where the price is going, so you can monetize that opportunity. In this case, pin-up flag formation making new highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, looking pretty decent, and still trading on top of the view app. That was a decent indicator. If it was trading under the view app, I would have expected that it could have been the other way around. But being under the 50 and under the view app, that 50 worked out as a very decent support on the 1 minute. Now 515, 520, 915, 920 around on the 15. You could probably have a bull flag formation over the next few minutes on the 5 and have our next leg up. I totally appreciate the people that have liked the stream. If you want to and don't mind maybe sharing it with your friends over social media, that's also greatly appreciated. If you're new on the channel and you like that information, I appreciate a sub. And if you have any kind of comments, you can always comment on the videos and ask questions there, as I try to respond as soon as I can. Coming down $4.66. Let's see here. I'm actually responding to a comment on Stock Twist. $4.66 watching level 2. Right now we have everything in between. No buying, no selling, no nothing winning. See a little bit more buying than selling right now at $4.62. So they're going to hold it on for a minute here. I see some $4.60 going through. Let's see how fast we can get it down there and what the low of the prior 15-minute candle is. Sitting at $4.63, not too far away right now. A couple of dojis on the 1. Trying to hold it on. There you go. Sellers are going in. Let's see here. It's a big battle here. It's been a battle here, okay? They're trying to hold it on around 465, 467. having some consolidation. Look at this formation, small pennant on here. Probably gonna have a breakdown here though. Under this, there you go. That's coming down right there. Holy smokes! Decent reversal. Wow, look at that. What a reversal there. NNVC. When you know your stuff, you know your stuff. Don't get me wrong, I'm not no guru, no professional, no nothing. I just have my ideas. When you have your ideas, all you have to do is take the trade and measure your risk. Measure your risk. Go with measured risk. Okay, we got NIO trying to find a little bit of a base support for a reversal. That's what it seems like it's trying to do now. So I think it will be a good idea for me just to bail out of this thing, because I don't want to be sitting here for the whole day. And although I really think that we will see 450, the 15-minute time frame is showing me higher lows. And so I think we're going to try to find a base support, and it will be a good idea for me not to try to hold it on too much. Right back to 470 with a doji and a hammer on the 15-minute time frame. I'm about to bail out of this thing. Take what I have being able to take already today on NIO from the open to now. Okay, let me just place my orders here. I really had something around 455 and 456, but we can see here higher lows, and I don't want to be stuck here the whole day. For us to get to 450, it's probably gonna take a little bit of a long time, and I already have a somewhat a decent trade out of NIO today, so I don't want to, I don't want to deal with this thing the whole day here. So let me just let me just bail out of here. Yeah, it's gonna give me something better here now that it's printing a little bit of a red candle here. Okay, try to get it filled. There's a lot of volume going through though, so it's not gonna be hard for me to get out. Oh, come on now. It's gonna get me out, and then it's gonna go to the areas that I want to. Yeah. If I leave something, it's okay. Alright. I'm done with this trade on NIO today. Ah, gee. It's taking a somewhat of a toll on me. It's been somewhat of a slow mover today on NIO, but it actually worked out very well. Very well since the beginning. You can see on NIO, it's been pretty decent. It's been very decent. Right now, it's coming down hard. Seems like the 50 is still going to be support, resistance, pardon me. We had a couple of different opportunities to trade this one. Coming down hard. Let me just put it back on the screen so you can see it. Already all out, and he's having this reversal that I was actually expecting. So too bad for me, but what am I gonna do? You gotta take it as it comes. So I'm not gonna feel bad about leaving profits on the table. Actually had the idea that we were going to see today 450 hit. I just didn't want to wait no longer. I already had a decent trade in the first 10 minutes of the day. Once this thing started to drop, I was able to find it and see it, and off of the first bounce I was able to get in a micro bounce using a 1 minute time frame candles right around the open. So I've been dealing with this thing since like long time. Being a long day trading an NIO. It's not a long day. Come on, stop talking. A long day now. Talking to myself. It's just 11 o'clock in the morning. It's like an hour and a half. A decent trade on an NIO stock. When I know that a lot of other jobs out there are literally a lot harder. But what I'm trying to say is the move. It's been some decent follow through, but it's been really, kind of a slow mover. But it has actually worked out very well. So for that, I feel good about, about that. So. Hey Matt, what's up? I didn't see the message there. You still there, Matt? Mr. Matthew. Hope you're okay, bro. Let's see if I can get you on Twitter. Send you a DM. I don't know if you're still there because I didn't see that on time. I didn't see that message on time. Okay, if you guys don't mind, I want to read something to you. It says, if you've been rejected, hold up. It says, if you've been rejected, Netflix picture here. It says Blockbuster refused to buy Netflix for 50 million. Netflix literally laughed out of the meeting. So they laughed. So meaning that Netflix people got laughed out of the meeting, right? Facebook reject MySpace. MySpace rejected Facebook's offer to merge for 50 million, and says, where is MySpace now? When people say no to you, keep going. You are worth more than they think, and your time is coming. When people laugh at your goals, your dreams, your beliefs, and tell you that you're crazy, remember this. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Man, that sounds like the Steve Jobs ad for the crazy ones. Here's for the crazy ones. You guys remember that? That was nice though. He's for the crazy ones and stuff. Yeah, he's for the crazy ones, and that is true. I really do believe it. The people that think the people that are really crazy enough to think that they can change the world are usually the ones who do. So I hope you guys just hey Sean, you're messing with IBOI. Let's take a look at that one. Bring it over here. IBOI. IVIO. Oh man, what a mess. You still okay on that one? Are you up? Are you down? Are you making profits on that one? What's your profit taking area there? What's your target for that one? Are you basing this trade on the daily charts? Are you basing this trade on intraday formations? What's the idea behind this trade? And why did you pick that name, IBOI? I mean IBIO. Any reason special, or is it just because you were able to afford to buy a lot of shares? Seems like I did the right thing though. I did the right thing here. Look at that. NIO, I bail out now $4.77. I told you guys it was making higher lows. And it had a hammer on the 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Let me just bring it back. Because IBIO, Sean, I put it there for you because you say you're trading that. But, it's, I don't do that kind of stuff. But let me just bring this chart, 15 minutes here. And I told you guys, look at this little hammer here with this long candle, right? And we were making higher lows. And when I saw that happen, if you look at this long trend, every single candle on the 15 is making lower lows, but this one made a higher low. And right there, I figured that we were going to have a reversal. So this is the reason why I told you it will be a good idea for me to bail out of this trade. So far today, it's already been decent. So I didn't have to force it in. I've been dealing with this since the first 10 minutes of the market open. So why would I force it in, really? Like, so, you know, this is the kind of stuff that I told you guys it would be a good idea to recognize the patterns, recognize the trends, and monetize that opportunity. This is a reason why I believe that character is very, very important, not a trading strategy only. If you don't have the character to pull off a trading strategy, your trading strategy is not going to work at all. At all. Of course, man. But here's the thing. Whatever type of stock you want to trade that you feel comfortable with, it's okay. You can trade them. But what I am saying is you have and you need and you must and you ought to have an idea why you're taking a trade. Because remember, you just, if you take $100 bill and throw it out there, it's like, okay, why did I throw it out there? If you want to get something in exchange for that $100 bill, you need to know what kind of sneakers you like to wear. You need to know what kind of shirts you like to buy, because otherwise, then what are you doing with your money? So for a trade, in the same way you have preferences in life, you know what type of restaurants you buy food at, where you eat, which kind of movie theater you go to. Things that make you feel comfortable. Trading is the same way. You got to build up your character. Trading, investing in the same way in life. You need to build your character to be able to use that quote unquote strategies using your money. So you need to have an idea of what am I going to do with this $400 here on this stock? Where am I going to get in? Where am I going to get out? Why am I going to put money inside of this trade or this swing trade or this long-term holding for the next 3 months? Of why? Why do you have the preference of going with this one instead of this one? What is this stock showing you that is better than that one? Because even when you're dating, you have preferences. A chick looks better to you compared to another chick. And if you're a gal, a guy looks better to you compared to another guy, because maybe he makes you laugh, maybe he's built up because he goes to the gym, he likes to give money to homeless people. There's things that you like on this person more than this other person. You're gonna have to build up your preferences, your character when it comes to the names out there on the market, to know why this one gives you a better opportunity compared to this other name. Because otherwise, then you're gonna be just wasting money out there. You need to know, why am I picking this name over this other name? What does this name does better than this other name? Is this the name that made money last year? Would you lend money? Would you let a friend of yours borrow money that you know that he actually borrowed from 15 other people before you, but he hasn't been able to pay to none of them? Like, he doesn't pay back. He takes your money, runs away with it, goes to the bar, drinks it off, and then he won't pay back. Would you give money to that kind of friend? I don't know. That's your answer. But I'm saying, you need to know, why would you give money to this person instead of that person? Why would you put your money in this company compared to this company? Where do you want to go in? Where do you want to go out? What are the things that are showing you that it will be better to pick this thing over this thing? Why do you think people try to buy a Mercedes over a Toyota? Or this is what I'm trying to say. Trading strategies are just BS if you don't have the character to pull it off. That's what I'm saying. The Jedi, Matthew. What's up, Mr. Matthew? My little grasshopper. Yeah. I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm just trying to share my wisdom here, though. I've been doing this for a long time. Let me see this. Yeah, man. Matthew, you're saying NNVC ready to break out again on the 1 minute. Let me just put it up here. Where is it? Oh man, but it's dropping quick though. It's having this drop like crazy. Well, that's see, Matt. For me, it looks more like a 1 minute micro bounce. I wouldn't take a load trade here because for me this is just a falling knife, and this is what they call a dead cat bounce. The 50 for me is still resistance, and let me just pull it up here so I can watch the level 2 because I can't really see the level 2 here. See what yeah, there's really not a lot of buying though. So for me this is more a dead cat bounce, follow through move here off of the 50 simple moving average to test that VWAP and the 100 down there. So for me that's not a long trade at all. That's like catching a falling knife. And if I give you my idea on this one, it will be more going towards the VWAP, which right now is sitting at $4.76 though. Like this is a nice flag off of the 1 minute time frame for a follow through move to the VWAP and the 100 on the 1 minute. I don't want to contradict your idea there, but for me this is just more a follow through move to the downside, especially after those two green candles right here breaking down the prior low. It looks more like an evening start formation and a flag pattern right here, a bear flag pattern, using the 5 minutes right here. Hold up, come on, give it to me. Right here looks more like a bear flag pattern than this long trade. I'm just honestly believe that we will have some kind of consolidation there. I can be wrong, but in all honesty, I will not take a long trade off of that little bounce there. For me, this is just a little flat consolidation for a possible follow-through move to the downside. And this is just my idea. Again, I can be wrong because I'm no guru, I'm no expert, I'm not Superman at all. But that's something that I think, that's the idea for what I see now. Let's see what's going to happen. But that's my idea here. A little bit of consolidation, a little flag right here on the 1 minute. Let's see. Off of the 50 simple moving average being resistance with a shooting star on the 1. I think we're gonna break under and follow through to the downside. Let's see what's gonna happen. See if I'm wrong or I'm right in the next minute. Good apple juice. I'm already done deal here. man, I'm done. Have my coffee. Breakfast is important. A lot of people don't take no breakfast in the morning because in reality, when you're hungry, sometimes your brain is a little sharper and you can think a little bit more straight than when your stomach is full. So a lot of times you're hungry, good ideas pop into your head faster than when your stomach is full. But I think eating is, because you feel good, you feel energetic. I already had a couple of scrambled eggs this morning, toast with peanut butter and apple juice and a nice coffee, espresso. That's my preference, with a little bit of cream. Although I used to drink it like straight, but not anymore. Having a good day though. NIO, it's gave me quite something, pretty decent. In the next couple of months or so, February, March, whatever, I'm rolling out a private group with kind of like some kind of evening classes going through how to pick stocks, how to find them for swing trading and day trading, and how to build up a watch list, and using level 2 time and sales for your trading and all that type of stuff. If you guys are interested, keep it on mind. I'm gonna be doing that later, maybe March, something like that. I'm gonna make the website very interactive again, and the website is free, don't get me wrong. Now the private group, it's probably gonna have a little wow, look at that, Matt. Hoo-hoo! And some kind of price, but it's gonna be a kind of like a low price. It's not gonna be no $100 price for nothing, for admission, nothing like that. No, I'm not gonna go that route. But I have to value my time a little bit, and so it's gonna be I don't know, kind of mid-range, into $50-$60 a month, something like that. I don't know. For those of you that want to take advantage of those classes or whatever, that's gonna be later down the line. Maybe February, end of February, March, something around there. And that's gonna be evening classes, private, all private. But the website is free though. Website is free, and this chat room it's not gonna be private. Every time I stream and I trade, it's going to be out there. Everybody's gonna be able to come through, and whatever they want to do on the site is fine. We're gonna have free market data, or live free market data. I'm gonna try to roll in some sort of kind of trading view type of thing. That way you can also put the data after your trades into the website and build up some kind of Twitter, stock twist kind of thing, interactive home landing page. It's going to be a lot of things is going to be changing on the website over the next couple of months. And again, for the people that I think that they might take advantage of my brain and they want to pick my brain, I'm putting, and I lost over 60 hours of recordings, so my personal trading, when my computer got messed up because I didn't put it on the cloud, and I have an external hard drive, so I lost it. I'm putting a lot of things together again, rolling out a course on next month. It's going to be over $799 value, because I'm going to give away 2 computers, and for the first 10 people, 1-on-1, 1 hour, 1-on-1 with me. So for the people that buy the course, chances are you're going to get a free computer. So you're going to get a free course pretty much, and a 1-on-1 with me for the first 10 people. First 20 people, chances to get a laptop. I'm going to be giving away 2 laptops. And it's going to be a $299 price for the early bird people. If you guys, anybody's interested on picking my brain, you want to get it before I roll it out on regular price, guys, let me know. I can send you a link through PayPal, and we can go that route. That's if you guys are interested. If not, it's okay with me. I still have my knowledge, and I'm still doing very well. But if you guys are interested, and again, I apologize if you guys think that I am trying to rip people off, but I have to value my time. I've been doing this since 2012, and I have put a lot of effort into learning what I know today. So trying to put a lot of my brain into this thing to help the people that think that they might do something. If you want to work as an electrician, truck driver, whatever, you need to get ready, get the licensing, and do all of that kind of stuff. Maybe people go to college to get jobs that they go to work for 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 hours a day, waiting for vacation, whatever. And what I'm trying to put out is something that I think has a lot of value, and it has served my life to be where I am today. But it has cost me frustration, tears, and a lot of time to learn what I have learned today. And again, I'm gonna help people out, not to give you a trading strategy. For me, that's BS. There's no way you're gonna be able to pull off any kind of trading strategy. No matter if the Pope comes out with a trading strategy, you're not gonna be able to pull it off, and you're not gonna be able to copy anybody, mirror anybody, or do nothing like that if you don't have a character to know exactly what you're going for. And this is what I'm trying to do, because people go for the holy grail trading strategies and they mess up everything else because they don't know why they fail. Trading strategies are just BS propaganda out there. If you don't have the character as a trader, and that's what I want to build up with you guys. That's why I'm offering a private group, people, to build up character, not trading strategies. I'm going to give you the strategies. But if you don't have the character, you're not going to be able to pull it off. You're not going to be trading with strategies. Behind your computer, it's you who's sitting, not the strategy. It's your brain, not the strategy's brain. And people can come out and say all in paper looks good, a strategy here, a strategy there, whatever. But that doesn't work. So it's up to you. For people interested, I'm here, and I'm still going to be here trading. I'm still going to be here live streaming, and the website is free. Any question, anything you guys need, just got to send me a DM, whatever. I answer multiple questions throughout the day. People midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning, they sending me DMs through Twitter, Instagram, whatever, Facebook, and I'm still answer as soon as I can. But for this particular things, I'm putting my brain out there to help the people that want to just kind of like transition into some better and not follow the BS type of Lamborghini type of life with the asses. And I apologize for my language, but people put a lot of videos out there showing an ass, a bikini type of butt, this and that, traveling with my laptop type of stuff. I don't do that kind of stuff. That's not me. Again, it comes with my character. This is not me. That's not my character. I don't do that propaganda type of stuff. I got my kids in school. I live my life free. I like to have a very well amount of money in my bank account to do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it. I travel with my kids when they're on vacation, when I can. If my wife wants to go away, paying vacation, whatever she wants to buy, we buy. We live a very decent life. I have no complaints whatsoever. And that's the type of life that I want. Freedom, no stress. So you're not going to hear me talk about Lambos. Not going to hear me talk about private jets and a private party with 100 girls showing their butts and their boobs. You're not going to hear me talk about that kind of stuff. You're not going to hear me talk about the laptop type of lifestyle, traveling all over the world, this stuff. Like some people out there, I don't want to mention any names. Some people just put information out there and they try to teach you stuff, and I'm not saying they don't have the information, they just don't know how to explain and they try to give you a strategy again, going back to character. But when you try to pull it off, if you don't have the character to trade that strategy, you're not going to be able to do it, because you're going to be throwing punches at anything that goes in front of you, and then you're going to mess it up. And I don't want to say nothing bad here, Matthew, but here's the thing. From far away, I was able to see this thing coming down, following through, all the way to the view app as I said it. And you saw it in your eyes. You figured it was going to jump and have a breakout, roll over right back to the upside. I figured it just flagging, 1 minute flag, followed through all the way to the downside, test the view app. If you see it, that's what happened down there. So that's what I want to be able to do for you and for the people that are interested. So anyway, just talking too much here. Any questions? Anybody has any questions or something? Sean, man, you something else. That's right, man. It's character, bro. I don't do that kind of stuff. Like, hey, here's my laptop. I'm this and that, and hey, this is my jet party. People renting out jets and stuff to make an ad, and just try to sell the lifestyle that this or that, and people fall for that stuff because there's some guys that come to the market to chase the next butt or to buy that Lambo, but hey, it takes time. It takes time, and that's what happens. Most of the people are not gonna tell you, and I tell you straight up, everybody's gonna have results, but everybody's results are gonna be different because everybody's put different efforts. You cannot get the same results as I am if I'm putting more effort than you are to try to do something else. If you go to the gym twice a day and I go maybe once a week, we're not going to have the same body. I'm not going to have the same endurance. I'm not going to have the same stamina. Maybe my belly is going to be sticking out, and your chest is going to be sticking out, and you're going to have a six-pack, and I'm going to have a one-pack. So if you and I don't put the same effort, there's no way we're going to have the same results. So everybody's going to have results. I have no doubt. And that can tell you straight up. It's the truth. But we're not going to have the same results in life, in trading, in real estate, in whatever. Because in order for you and I to have the same results, we need to be putting the same effort. Other than that, there's no way you're going to pull it off. Well, for now, guys, 11:30 seems like it's slowing down now, and I will leave it here for now. I'm gonna make the video for today's trading this morning, and I'm gonna be adding the trade on NNVC here. Not the trade, I'm sorry, the move. I didn't trade NNVC. I'm talking about trading so much that this words just come out of my mouth. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm going to be putting a video out in the next couple hours because I like to put it up in the afternoon. I greatly appreciate if you can give it a like and make any kind of comments, and even if it's kind of thumbs up or whatever, so that way the Google algorithm treats me well and promotes my video to more people, and that's greatly appreciated. I apologize if that's way too much to ask from you, but if it's okay with you and you watch the video, if you can post a little comment, whatever, even if you don't like the video, thumbs down, whatever, and if you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down, but at least then let me know that you guys are watching the videos or whatever. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm here for you guys. Whatever you need, just send me a DM. I'm here to answer questions. So I'm here to help you guys out. And happy trading, good and good luck with everything. Take care, you guys. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye bye.